Hey everyone, welcome back to another video assignment with me, Mr. Hanson. This one is going to be your Lesson 8 discussion video assignment. And this Lesson 8 discussion, well, let's start and see what it's all about. Please read the following passage from the Declaration of Independence. Okay, so this is going to be a fun one. Awesome, exciting. Look at me drinking tea. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, that to secure these rights, governments are instituted among men, deriving their just powers from the consent of the governed. That means us, the people being governed. That whenever any form of government becomes destructive of these ends, it is the right of the people to alter or abolish it. Ooh. That's big right there. And to institute new government. Okay? Laying its foundation on such principles and organizing its power in such form as to them shall seem most likely to affect their safety and happiness. So there's a lot of information in there and a lot of big words. Feel free to use your Google if you don't know all of them, and that's okay. Not to get the answer, but to, like, what does abolish mean? It means to get rid of. Consent of the governed. That means that the people basically give the government permission to govern them. It's called natural rights. It's something that you may study in high school a little bit, and it's actually interesting. So the life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness is actually a modified version of John Locke's rights, which was life, liberty, and property. So Thomas Jefferson changed it for the Declaration of Independence to the pursuit of happiness, and that's my little fun fact. Has absolutely nothing to do with the assignment. Let's get back to it. So once you've read all of this, and please read it again, or if you like how I read it, you can just play the video again multiple times if you want. Another picture doesn't work. Waka waka. Anyway, now that you have read the passage, answer the following questions in complete sentences. Remember, you will have 5 sentences by the end of this post. 5 sentences. I usually ask that question. All right, so let's see. What are we going to be answering to get us to those sentences? Number 1, what is one idea from the Declaration of Independence that you, not Google, not AI, you as a human being, an individual with thought, would consider to be revolutionary? There's a lot. If we're going to be honest in here, there's a lot of ideas that you could pull. You could pull a sentence from pretty much anywhere in here, and it would be a revolutionary, just as a spoiler heads up, so hint. Why do you consider it revolutionary? And that's the big part. So you can take any of it, but you got to explain why. And not why anyone else's, why you. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just do that again. We're going to take a second idea. Why is it considered revolutionary? And then for your final thought, it's just going to be, so you're saying the same, you're basically picking 2 ideas from here that and telling us why you consider them revolutionary. Sentence 1, what is an idea? Well, one idea that I consider revolutionary is, sentence 2, I consider it revolutionary because, sentence 3, another idea, sentence 4, I think it's revolutionary because, sentence 5, is, in your opinion, what is the Declaration? Was the Declaration revolutionary for every group of Americans? Why or why not? And that's an interesting one. And that's your 5th sentence. And that one, those are all honestly great ideas to think about. I'm excited to read what you write, what you pick. So make sure to just do your best and do awesome. Like always, here's the rubric. The rubric tells you how many points you get for what you do. So again, the 5 sentences, like last time, is worth 20 points if you got that question wrong on the last one. Accurately defines the idea. Explains why you consider it revolutionary. That's 20 points. The why. accurately identifies the two ideas from the declaration, that's only 10 points. So if you identify the two, you get 10 points. That's cool. But if you don't tell me why, you don't get 20. Explain why you consider it revolutionary. Another 20 points, again, the why. And then share your opinion in that of what group or if every group was represented. And that's another 20 points. So a lot of it is about the why, not just about getting it done. Alrighty, so any questions? We lost? Did everything make sense? Why don't we see the assignment when you do these, Mr. Hanson? I'll show you the assignments later on the later videos, but this is what it'll look like on your end. Boom, 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 boom. And yeah, you just hit reply and answer those questions. So that's that. Speaking of questions, there are 4 questions below that I need you to answer. And once you answer those, you can go ahead and go right onto this discussion and get great grades on both. Woohoo! Alright, I will talk to you next time. And if you do have any questions, call me, text me, Google chat me is the best way. Email me, video chat me, whatever works for you. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.